Hi, welcome to my channel. Well, welcome back to my channel. I will be doing Polygel, the Makartt with the purple. So one of my thumbs I already did to test it out, and my other thumb is hurt, but at the end of the video I did go back and do it so that I could take a picture. So I believe this color is, let me double check. This color is the color 931. So when you are looking for the color, just know, oh, there it is, 931. So when I did my thumb, I had to do it, of course, with my left hand. So it honestly wasn't hard to do. I just had to figure out, exactly what to do. So I did start off with alcohol, which was the wrong alcohol. I think that's like 70 something percent. The green alcohol, do not use it. I used it and I did not like it. That's the double-ended brush. And then I used my e-file. So you will see, oh, I also got a buffer and a nail file. And I ended it off with my cuticle oil. I do have a Chick-fil-A cup on the side because if you like me, you like your ice. So I like crushed ice from either Cookout, Chick-fil-A, and Zaxby's sometimes will have it, and also, what do you call that place? Freddy's. So in the beginning, I did start off with the alcohol, but it was still sticky. I don't know if it was because it was the wrong alcohol to use, or I'm not sure. But you guys will see in the video. I want to say you'll be able to see how sticky it was, but this video honestly was just to show you that you don't always have to use the nail formers. You can also use just your regular nail. Even if you want to put this on your natural nails, you can put this on your natural nails just to give it a stronger foundation. So I put it on the nail, and I do want to think I will go off camera to do them, or like do 3 of them, and that was just because I had to really get the feel for it. But I will show you this this green alcohol. No, if you got it to work, then great for you, but for me it didn't work. I ended up having to use just another liquid solution. So look at that. It was still sticky, and I couldn't figure out why. But I didn't give up. I kept trying to figure out what it was, and I kept putting extra on it to see if maybe it was too dry and everything. But when the polygel would get stuck to the brush and I put it in the alcohol, it would just rub right off. So I was just, let me see if it just was sticky, I was so confused. I was like, why is this not working? So I ended up, I'm sorry for the noise. My neighbors in their going to work van, I guess their rides here. But this clip wasn't that long because I was really trying to figure out what is this issue. So y'all will see me in the next clip because I needed to really figure out what was going on. And we're back. So I ended up, of course, doing the 3 nails or the 2 nails. And so now we're ready to really get down. So the solution that I use, I don't know if I put it in the video, but it was acetone. Honestly, I believe alcohol, acetone, they all have something in it that it's just non-sticky. I don't know what the term or what really goes on, but as y'all can see, it's not sticky anymore. When I figured that out, I was like, oh yeah, this is about to be, we finna have some fun with this. So my next video, I want to do the crackling. On my next nail video, I want to do which everyone's done it, but I haven't done it. So I want to do the crackling thing, but we're gonna see how that goes. So yes, of course, you want to do it the same way that you would do acrylic. Excuse me. I apologize. You want to do the same way that you do acrylic, such as, getting the apex right and getting the straight edges and everything. But as far as the consistency and everything in the actual product is completely different. But you still want your cuticle to be thin, you still want the right apex, and you still want it to go all the way to the free edge. Not thin, but you just don't want it to be too thick. I like a thick nail, not like a really thick nail, but I like a nail that I know is strong enough to hold if I was to hit something really hard and just everything like that. Also, a tip with filing, which I feel like people do sometimes forget. If you do get some on your skin, please remember to pull, what do you call it? Pull the product from the skin before you begin to file it. Because then in the end, it's going to be pointless because you're still going to have stuff stuck to your skin. So please just remember to pull. I had to tell my friend that when she had honestly just started doing nails or whatever. I just had to tell her to remember to pull the skin back, because if you don't, which she has done before, when you file, it's going to cut your skin because you're trying to figure out, okay, how am I going to get that part, filed down? But you have to pull it from the skin. That's important. Pull it from the skin before you begin to file your cuticle area, your edges, anything like that. Just pull anything away from the skin. So this is my favorite top coat. This is the IBD Intense Seal. You can use it in a UV lamp or an LED lamp. I like this because number one, it does not streak. And number two, it's self-leveling, which I mean gel self-levels either way. But this top coat just self-levels in a whole different way. But you first just want to file everything, make sure everything is buffed. And then I'm just going to show y'all, look how that just glides on. In more videos, in more clips, you'll see like how it really glides on, but just look at it. Went from ashy to shiny. It's so nice. And you get a good amount of product. I don't know if they still doing, if they still have this bulk, but I got 2 for $15. And as y'all know, 1 is like a good 17 on its own. So I got 2 for 15, which I need to buy more. So right now I'm just trying to wait it out. I do still have both of them, but one of them are mainly for when I do white nail polish, because I do that a lot on my toes. But the other one is just for everything. So you want to leave this in for 60 seconds. So with the lamp, sometimes you can just put your hand under it and it cuts on and it stays on for the 60. Or you can click it and do either 30 minutes or 60 minutes. But most of the time I just stick my hand under and it goes off after 60 seconds. I think I said 60 minutes. I meant 60 seconds. So 1 minute is normally how long the light will stay on if you automatically put your hand under. So, and now I'm going to head on to my right hand. And so I'm just going to do the same thing that I did to my left hand. But the lighting did change because I did this one in time lapse. But I'm going to let you guys finish off the rest of this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. When you do like the video or when you do share the video, do not forget to comment what you guys want to see in the next videos. Just so that you guys are subscribing to a channel that you are going to keep coming back to and continue to watch. So I am going to exit. I'm going to let you guys finish off and just watch me work everything. By the way, this brush is only $5 on Amazon. So if you are interested in doing nails only, sometimes, oh my goodness, what am I trying to say? If you just want to do nails on yourself, then this will be good. But also, if you want to do nails on other people, you just got to disinfect this. But it's only $5 on Amazon. And yes, that is the end of this video. Not the end of the video, but the end of me speaking. And I'm just going to let you guys finish off this video. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Do not forget to follow me on social medias at hairandnails.nisha and Glamorized by Janae on Instagram. Those are both different Instagram pages. And then also on my Snapchat at McCainTeacher32. So guys, I will catch you guys in the next one. Okay, see ya.